Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic chatbots and virtual assistants. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in artificial intelligence and digital banking and different products. So let's start, friend. Friend, first of all, we have to understand that what is actually a chatbot. Friend, I'm sure that wherever any time you are visiting the websites on any products, so if you just visit any website of a product, sometime it happens that a chat bot or a window open on the website, and in the chat they will ask you that in which product you are interested or which type of product you want to purchase, and you will query the things, you will ask the questions, and this during this chat they will answer you about your queries. This type of conversation is very important with respect to product, because what happened that it is a way to provide information about your product. And sometime it happens that during the conversation, once you are convinced that the product is good, or this is the product which you want to purchase, so obviously that lead or that conversation will become in purchasing a product as well. So if we talk about chatbots, basically chatbots are like friendly robots that chat with you through messages on websites or mobile apps. They help with a specific tasks like answering questions, queries, guiding you on a website or mobile applications, and providing the required information and answers about your queries. Uh, some chatbots follow rules like scripting, while others use smart technology to understand and respond to what you are saying actually, and answering according to your questions. Now, virtual assistants. Now, what is virtual assistants? Basically, friend, virtual assistants are more than a chatbot. They are, you just think like the advanced version of the helper, like advanced version of smart helpers. Like for example, just think of that. For example, you just came at home, and you want to uh, have some music, very happy music, for example. So you can request, you can ask the virtual assistant or software based application to just run or execute the just play the very good music, a very happy music, for example. So that software or that helper, a smart virtual helper, will run the will play the music which is very happy, for example. So this is an example of a virtual assistant. Basically, friend, virtual assistants are like smart helpers that you can talk to, often using voice commands. Basically, they are software based applications or AI based applications. They do more than just chat. They can set reminders, play music, control smart devices in your home as well, and even have conversations with you. They use advanced technology to understand what you are saying, and they can learn from your interactions to get better at helping you over time. So basically, friend, chatbots chat with you and assist with specific tasks, while virtual assistants are like smart helpers. They can do a variety of things and understand your voice commands as well. So let's deep dive into that. First, we talk about chatbots. Friend, chatbot is basically a computer program designed to simulate conversation with human users, especially over the internet. They can be implemented in messaging applications, websites, or other platforms as well. Chatbots are often used to customer support, lead generation, information retrieval, and task automation as well. They handle specific tasks or answer predefined queries based on programmed rules or machine learning algorithms as well. So basically, a friend, like you don't need a human being like who will be sitting, and he just open the chat window in which he is receiving the queries and answering those questions. You can have simply a chatbot, basically a software based application, which is basically like answering the questions, whatever the question it is receiving, it is answering. Then if we talk about types of chatbots, first one is the rule-based chatbots, which follow predefined rules and patterns. Responses are based on a set of programmed decision trees or conditional statements as well. Like for example, if a person has interest in car loan, for example, so this is the answer. If a customer has an interest in a home loan, so this is the answer. So in that way, basically rule based chatbots work based on rules, like you define the rules, decision tree, and the chatbot will answer accordingly. Then AI powered chatbots mean leverage machine learning and natural language processing to understand and respond to user inputs. They can learn and improve over time. So that means there is some intelligence involved. There is an AI involved in with the passage of time. It's learning and improving as well. It is just like a human being. Okay. Human being approach that with the passage of time, with the past information and experiences, it is improving. Now then use cases, there are use cases involved like customer support on website. This is a very common use case of a chatbot. Then order tracking and status updates, frequently asked questions, lead generation on business websites. Then virtual assistants, basically friend, virtual assistants are more advanced artificial intelligence system that can perform a wide range of tasks beyond basic conversation. They are designed to understand context, learn from user interactions, and often integrate with various applications and services as well. Virtual assistant aims to assist user in a broad range of activities, including scheduling, information retrieval, entertainment, and device control. They are more proactive in anticipating user needs and can handle complex multi-step tasks as well. Now, if you can talk about the examples of virtual assistant, first one is the Google Assistant, which provides information, sets reminders, control smart home devices, and more. Amazon Alexa, which perform tasks like playing music, ordering products, and controlling smart home devices. Apple Siri, which respond to voice commands, sets reminders, and provides information. Capabilities involve natural language understanding (NLU), which means that virtual assistants can understand and interpret the context of user queries. Task automation means they can perform tasks across different applications and services. Virtual assistants often integrate with third-party applications and services to provide a seamless user experience. Virtual assistant can learn from user interactions to improve their performance over time as well. Then, friend, chatbots and virtual assistants are both conversational AI tools, but virtual assistants are more advanced, versatile, and capable of handling a broader range of tasks as well.